Raise your hand if this is you, juggling meds, meltdowns, and still trying to look like you've got it all together at TSA, until the TSA agent just gave your carry-on the side eye. Oh no, what did you put in your carry-on? Don't let your meds become the main character in this drama. Today we're cracking the code on flying with meds like a boss. Spoiler alert, CBD gummies equal bad idea. Let's dive in. TSA rules. The good, the bad, and the wait, what? First, let's decode TSA's rulebook, because nobody wants their meds starring in an airport thriller. Here's your cheat sheet. All FDA-approved prescriptions get the green light. Pills, liquids, creams, syringes, you name it. No quantity limits, and they're exempt from the 311 rule. That giant Costco-sized icy hot tub? TSA's cool with it. Just don't expect them to rub it on your back mid-flight. Over-the-counter meds like Dayquil saline solution or Neosporin, no 311 jail time. But here's the twist. Medically necessary is key. That gallon of Pepto may be overkill. That travel-sized Benadryl, hero status, so act accordingly. CBD or THC goodies with more than 0.3% THC, nope. Even if your state says yes, the feds say hard pass. Save your calming gummies for home, unless you want a very awkward chat with Homeland Security. What's about medical devices? CPAP machines, insulin pumps, syringes, with meds, all allowed. Pro tip, pack them in a clear bag and declare them up front. TSA's seen it all, except maybe a glucose monitor disguised as a Tamagotchi. Rules change faster than airport Starbucks lines. Always check TSA's What Can I Bring? Webpage before you fly. Bookmark it, screenshot it, tattoo it on your arm. Okay, maybe not the last one. Use their free Ask SA Twitter chat for real-time help, because guessing games belong in Vegas, not security. Alright now, I want to know, have you ever had a TSA meds mishap? Did they confiscate your suspicious Voltaren cream? Drop your drama in the comments. And if you're a first-time offender, congrats! Welcome to the club. You are not alone. If you are Team Stress-Free Travel, smash that like button and subscribe to Empower Your Journey channel for more travel hacks and insights. Now let's talk about packing like a pro. Spoiler, your socks are not a medically approved storage solution. Let's turn your meds from hot mess to TSA approved icon. Here's your no-fail game plan. Ditch the random sandwich bag. Use a dedicated clear pouch for all meds and devices. TSA needs to see them fast, and you don't want your Xanax playing hide-and-seek in your sock pile. Pro move. Slap on a label like medical supplies. It's like a VIP pass for your insulin. Controlled meds like Ambien or Adderall, keep them in their original bottles. Yes, even if it's bulky. Why? States have different laws, and TSA's not going to trust your Skittles jar full of sedatives. For non-controlled meds, pill organizers are fine. Just snap a pic of the original label as backup. Pack enough meds for your trip plus 5 to 7 extra days. Delays happen, and you don't want to beg a foreign pharmacist for your thyroid meds using Google Translate. Check refills before you fly. Your doctor's office isn't open at 2 a.m. in Bali. Arm yourself with 1, a doctor's note, yes, like you're 12. 2, prescription copies, especially for controlled meds. And 3, a med list with generic names, doses, and your doc's contact info. Save digital copies to your phone and email, because, well, my dog ate my paperwork won't work in customs. Need to chill insulin or creams? Freeze gel packs solid. TSA rejects slushy ones. Label them medical use and pack them outside your VIP bag. Hot tip, bring a soft lunchbox. It's TSA friendly and doubles as a mini fridge. Boom! You're now the MacGyver of med packing. Go forth and may your airport karma be as chill as your gel packs. So your carry-on is set. You've made it to security. Now the real fun begins. Let's avoid the "why is my carry-on on TikTok" moment, shall we? First come early. Grandma's 2-hour early rule? It's gold. Meds equal extra screening time. Last month, a mom's toddler's liquid antibiotics got flagged. It took 20 minutes to verify. Morale. Arrive early, sip your coffee before the checkpoint, and thank me later. Second, declare your meds, especially your devices. TSA agents aren't mind readers. Say it loud. I have liquid prescriptions and medical devices. Pro tip, Pull out your clear medical bag and your 311 liquids bag. Place them in separate bins. One traveler learned the hard way when her face cream mixed with her insulin pens. Chaos ensued. Now, if your meds get flagged, stay cool. One grandpa's arthritis gel got swabbed for explosives. Turned out he just used too much Bengay. Politely explain what it is, show your docs, and ask for a supervisor if needed. Another true story. A guy's cane had hidden blades. TSA blocked him for hours. Result, he missed his flight. Lesson? Even your knee brace or insulin pump might raise eyebrows. If you've got internal devices like pacemakers, tell the agent before stepping into the scanner. You'll skip the awkward pat-down interpretive dance. Finally, use TSA Cares. TSA Cares is free and wildly underrated. Call 72 hours ahead and they'll assign an agent to guide you through security. One family with a special needs kid said it was like having a fairy godmother in a uniform. No shame, use it. See, passing through airport security is not so scary when you are prepared. Now tell me, what's your wildest TSA story? Spill the tea below. And if you're loving these hacks, smash subscribe. We've got plenty more where this came from. Our final point, international travel landmines. You've breezed through TSA, high five. But international customs, that's where things get spicy. Your everyday meds might be totally cool in the US, but abroad, they could be contraband. Let's avoid the why is my allergy pill a felony here meltdown. Here's the kicker. That Vicks inhaler in your bag, banned in Japan, your ADHD meds, illegal in the UAE. Even melatonin gummies need a prescription in Qatar. Yep, the struggle is real. Always, and I mean always, Google your meds plus your destination's laws. The U.S. Embassy's website is your new best friend here. Bookmark it, hug it, thank it later. Here is my pro tip. Bring a doctor's note with your meds' generic names and a translated copy. A couple in Italy once spent hours hunting for Tylenol, which locals call paracetamol. Don't let this be you. Quantity matters too. Japan caps insulin imports at a 1-month supply. Mexico bans Adderall entirely. And Singapore side-eyes anything that looks like a 6-month stockpile. Check your destination's health ministry site. Yes, it's tedious, but so is explaining to a foreign official why you have 300 allergy pills. So, who's ready to globetrot without starring in Border Security International Edition? Drop your meds abroad horror stories below. We'll laugh with you, promise. And that's a wrap. Where's your next adventure? Drop it below. We want to hear from you. Love, empower your journey content? Smash subscribe for more hacks that save time, money, and your sanity. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.